Right, I'm at Boscombe again. I mean, I've been to Boscombe a lot of times, and I have seen pigeons here again. So that's the owl house, and there's a pigeon on that chimney there. So I just got to find somewhere to put my bike and see if I can film these pigeons and feed them. And so these pigeons have not seen me, I mean they have seen me before, but they don't recognise me like my home pigeons do. So I'll put the camera on the floor there for a minute and see. There they go, they're flying. Get my pigeon food out. And see if I can see the famous grey-bearded pigeon today. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and I'm really quite excited about being here today. Last time I come here it was really cold and windy, so let's throw some pigeon food down. Got plenty here today, got a big bag with me, so let's just see how many pigeons we can get down today. Oh look, he looks like Mr. Grey Wings, doesn't he? But it's not. I've seen that pigeon before. So I'm going to have to get a name. So there's, that one looks like Miss Yellow Ring. Got a black tail. That white one there. Let's see if I can get them closer. Here comes another one. So yeah, beautiful sunny day. Cold. Oh look, it looks like look, got white wings, that one. Just landed. Looks. Look, they're singing. Oh, look at that one there. There's the famous one. Look, beautiful, isn't it? Mr. Greybeard, that's it. How beautiful is that? Oh, Mr. Grey Wings at the back there. Look, that's a male. So none of these have got names. There's a road behind me, unfortunately. So that's the famous owl house, and you can see some pigeons up there and a big seagull on top of there. Beautiful artwork that, isn't it? It really is. Look, he's after that one. See if they get close. That one's got a green ring, so I'm going to call that Mr. Green Ring. Mr. Green Ring, that's it. Looks like a male, might not be. Oh look, they're going. Where they go? Flying around, look, loads of them. Look at that old building there. Look, there they go. Wow, there's a lot more than. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm trying to follow them the best I can. Look at that. All landing up there on the owl house. There should be a painting of a pigeon up there, I think, because there's no owls living up there, I don't think. There they are, look. Look, they're not all landed, look. So one's come down. It's like Michael. Maybe Michael's flown away from my local group and come here. Who knows? So let's get a bit more food down. There's only one pigeon here. Look at them all. Get down here. Look at them all. Yeah, we're coming down again. So, here they come. So I've only seen one with a ring on it. There he is, Mr. Green Ring. I mean, it could be a female, but it looks like a male to me because it's big. Get here, get closer to me. Oh, look at that one there. What should I call that one? That one looks a little bit, reminds me of Perky a little bit, that one there. Ooh, he's in a good mood today, isn't he, Mr. Don't know what to call him. I've already got one, Mr. Grey Wings. Look at him. Oh look, Mr. I don't know what to call that one, but I'll call him Mr. Greybeard. That's what I call him. Beautiful, isn't it? Lovely pigeon. It's very different. There's a golden one there, look. Chocolate. I'm going to call that one Chocolate. Alright, Chocolate, come here. Let's see if they can come close to me. See if they trust me. Well, that way he looks like Ginger Nut, this one, doesn't he? Look. Come here. He looks like Perky, that one. That's puffed up just there. A little bit. Oh, it's going to take a long time for me to get to know these pigeons. I mean, really, none of these white pigeons have got names yet. It's so cool, that one. It's very difficult to get a name for them, to remember, if you see what I mean. Greyback. I'll call that one Greyback if I can remember that one. That one's just standing there looking at me. There are some sparrows again around here looking at me. They're coming down sometimes. Oh look, here they go. Look at that. Gone. They might be back in a minute, who knows. Look at this. Look, they're all landing on that chimney there. Again. It's a good place to nest, isn't it, on the chimneys there. Look at them all standing quite close together, aren't they? Trying to film them a little bit better. It's warmer today, do you know what I mean? I mean, last time I come here, it's freezing and my hands are getting all they're going again. Going that way. So, look, there's another group. There's 2 groups flying about. 3 groups. It's amazing how many pigeons there actually are here, actually. Look at them all. Beautiful sunny. Look, the 2 groups are joining up, but I'm kind of like twisting around. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Get back here. All of them will come down here. I've got plenty of food. Oh, look at that. They're doing a pigeon show. The Pigeon Boscombe show, I'm going to call this one. Look at this. Amazing. I am pleased I come here now, because look at this. It's exciting. They're not racing pigeons, they're homing pigeons, all these, but they're having a race. You know, only one of them's got a ring on them. There they go, they're landing. Get down here. The pigeon fans want to see you all. And those 2 fighting. Except Mr. Greyback. He's a bit of a character, isn't he, that one? Get down here. Stop flying about. Look at that one there. Get down here. Beautiful. I can't really see on my small screen, and the sun's on my small screen too, so I can't really see what I'm doing. I can only see, look at that one there, when I'm at home. Can't really see them. Get down here. Right, let's get some more food down. Oh look. I'm going for another pigeon fly around. And the red arrows. I'll try to get them down there again. And then I'm going to move on and try to find some more pigeons around here. There they all are. Some of them landed. Get down here, we're getting bored now. Look at that beautiful one there, look. That black and white one, it's beautiful, isn't it? I can't wait to get home and see it on the big screen, to be honest with you. so I can't really see it now. Right, let's try to get him down. He's really beautiful, that pigeon. Right, let's try to film them so you can see them. Look at them all huddled up. All cuddled up together. Get down there! Look. He's dancing. There's one white pigeon. He's like Michael, isn't he? He's quite brave. Get down there. One's white pigeon. One pigeon's down there, so all of you get down there. Stop being so lazy. And another one comes down, look. Black tail. Beautiful. There we go. Let's have a good look at them now. Sun's on them today, so they've had some really good fly arounds, haven't they? I want that black one to come down. More coming down. Little sparrow. So yeah, I'm pleased to see all these again. They're not all down here. That one there, look how beautiful it is there. They're all singing. There's a little black one there. So these are some of Boscombe pigeons, not all of them. I think there must be about 500 pigeons living in this town. Like I say, you know, you can tell by the train station there's a lot of pigeons living here. Ground view of them all. They're having a big party. This one's probably been handled by humans before. It's the only racing pigeon here, Mr. Green Ring. Get here. So there's only two. I can only see two golden pigeons. He's going for it over there, look. So unfortunately there is a road behind me and it is a little bit noisy here really, that's the only trouble. So there they go again. So look at that. They love that pigeon, that owl house. They love living on there. So look at those two fighting there. So I'm going to call that a day, a pigeon day. I hope you enjoyed that, because I did. I'm going to have to come here again, so they get to know me more in the future. Have a good day and love all birds. And look forward to the future, because we're all lucky to have one. And be happy.